Sai Ram children. Today we are going to learn one more lesson from EVS. That is lesson number 8, Plants Around Me. Lesson number 8, Plants Around Me. In this lesson, we are going to learn about parts of plants, different types of plants, uses of plants. The amazing world of plant is all around us. Plants are found everywhere. There are many kinds of plants. Some are big and some are small. Some are big, some are small. They are of different sizes, shapes and colors. Like people, plants live in different places. They grow on land and water. They also grow in very hot or very cold places. Like humans and animals, plants are also living beings. They do not move, but they grow. Plants need air, sunlight, water to grow. Big plants are called trees. Parts of the plant: root, leaves, stem, flowers, fruits. These are the parts of the plant: root, stem, flowers and fruits. Plants has many parts. Let us see what they are. We will see all these parts in detail. The root. The root fixes the plant to the ground. It also takes in water from the ground. The root hold the plants into the soil. Roots bring water and nutrients from the soil to the plants. So the first part of a plant is root. Second one is stem. The stem holds up the plant. It also carries food and water to the different parts of the plant. It is the thickest and strongest part of the plant. The stem holds the plant above the ground, and the stem carry water and food through the plant. Roots get water and nutrients from the soil, and stems carry water and nutrients throughout the plant. So the second part of a plant is stem. Leaf. Leaves are of different shapes, colors and size. The leaf makes food for the plant using sunlight. Leaves are on the end of the stems of the plant. Leaves are where plants make their food. Leaves use water, air and sunlight to make their food. So the third part of a plant is leaf. Flowers. Flowers are of different colors, shapes and smell. Some flowers grow into a fruit. Fruits. Fruits are of different colors, shapes and sizes. Fruits have seeds which can later grow into new plants. Let us revise the parts of the plant once again. This is a plant. We can see the root. This is the root of a plant. Root of a plant. And the second part is stem. This is the stem. The roots grow under the ground and the stem grows above the ground. These are the leaves. This is a leaf and these are the leaves. You can see here flower also. And this is the seed. Okay children. These are the parts of the plant: roots, stem, leaf, flowers and fruits. Now we are going to learn about different types of plants. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Different types of plants are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Let us learn all these in detail. Trees. Big plants are called trees. They have single thick stem called trunk. Trees have many shapes. They have many branches. They live for many years. For example, mango tree, coconut tree, neem tree and pine tree. Now let us see the next one, shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have hard and woody stems. They are bushy and have many branches. These branches grow close to the ground. Example, rose, jasmine, hibiscus, chilli. Rose, jasmine, hibiscus, chilli are examples of shrubs. Herbs. Herbs are small plants with soft green stems. Most common herbs live only for few days. Some herbs are also used in medicines. For example, tulsi, mint, coriander. Tulsi, mint, coriander. These are the examples of herbs. Climbers. Some plants have a weak stem. They can't grow straight. They need support to stand and grow straight. Such plants are called climbers. Example: beans, money plant, peas. Example: beans, money plant, peas. These are climbers. Creepers. Some plants grow along the ground. These are called creepers. Example: pumpkin, watermelon. Pumpkin and watermelon are creepers. They grow along the ground. Now let us see what are the uses of plants. The plants keep the air around us clean. Plants use carbon dioxide to make food and they leave oxygen. Like this, they keep the air around us clean. They are home to many animals like birds, squirrels, butterflies, and monkeys. They are home to many animals like birds, squirrels, butterflies, and monkeys. We get most of the food we eat from plants. The food we eat, we get from plants, like all vegetables and fruits. So, plant gives us vegetables and fruits. We get fiber like cotton and jute from plants, which are used to make clothes and bags. We get fiber like cotton and jute from plants, and we use these to make clothes and bags. Wood which we get from trees is used to make houses, tables, chairs, doors, and windows. We get wood from plants, and this wood we use to make houses and all type of furnitures. We get rubber, paper and many medicines from plants. We get rubber from plant and this rubber will use to make tires and everything. And paper also make from plants. We get medicine also from plants. Now let us remember these points. Plants are our friends. If there were no plants, we would not have clean air to breathe. We would have no food to eat. All the animals and humans would die. We must therefore take care of plants. We must therefore take care of plants. This is very important point. Do not cut the plants. Plants are our friends. If there were no plants, we would not have clean air to breathe. They take carbon dioxide to make food and they release oxygen. Like this, they keep the air clean. And most of the food we eat get from plants. So children, please take care of plants. Now, let us revise the lesson by doing some exercise. First is fill in the blanks. Answers are leaves, herbs, root, stems, animals. Let us see one by one. I am going to read the question number 1. The part of the plant that lies below the ground is called the dash. Children, tell me the answer. The part of the plant that lies below, that grow below the ground is called the dash. Yes. Answer is root. R-O-O-T. Root. Number 2. Shrubs have hard woody dash. Shrubs have hard woody stems. S-T-E-M-S. Stems. Number 3. Plants make their food in their dash. Where, children? Tell me the answer. Yes, leaves. Plants make their food in their leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. Plants are home to many dash. Tell me the answer. Plants are home to many animals. Correct. Many animals. Okay. Now the last one. Small plants with weak stems are called herbs. H-E-R-B-S. Herbs. So, the answers once again. The part of the plant that lies below the ground is called the root. Shrubs have hard woody stems. Plants make their food in their leaves. Plants are home to many animals. Small plants with weak stems are called herbs. Okay, children. Next, circle the things we get from plants. Circle the things we get from plants. Eggs, lime, bottle, pineapple, cabbage, pencils. Now let us see what all things we get from plants. We get eggs from plants? No. Then what about lime, lemon? Yes, it is a plant product. We get fruits and vegetables from plants. So it is correct. And this one, blue color plastic bottle, we get plastic from plants? No. So no need to circle this bottle. What about pencil? We get pencil from plants? No. Then what? We get wood from plants. And with that wood we make pencils. So this is also correct. Now this vegetable is cabbage. Is it correct? You have to circle that. Okay. Cabbage, because we get food from plants. Now pineapple. Pineapple is a fruit. We get food from plants like vegetables and fruits. So this also we have to circle. Okay, children. So here 4 things we get from plants: lime, pencils, cabbage and pineapple. We have done this. We will go to the next one. Match the following. Now tell me. One side it is different types of plants are given. And second side, the other side, it is the name of the plants. Tree, shrub, herb, climber, creeper. Here, watermelon, rose, money plant, mint, coconut. Now first one we will take, tree. Tell me, which is tree here? Which one is the tree here? Watermelon, rose, money plant, mint, coconut. Yes, we have to match this tree and coconut. Okay, children. Now the second one, shrub. Watermelon, rose, money plant, mint. Shrubs are hard. They have hard woody stems. So which one here? Watermelon? No. Rose? Yes. It is rose. Okay, children. Now herb. Herb. Now it is watermelon, money plant and mint. Which is herb here? Yes, mint. Okay. Now the fourth one is climber. Climber. They need support to grow straight. So watermelon, money plant. Which one is climber here? Yes, it is money plant. Climber, money plant. The last one is creeper. They grow along with the ground. So here it is watermelon. So we have done match the following also. Tree, coconut. Shrub, rose. Herb, mint. Climber, money plant. Creeper, watermelon. So children, we have finished lesson number 8, plants around me. Now let us learn some new words. The new words, I am going to read the spelling 3 times. Please listen carefully. Plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant. Root, R-O-O-T, root, R-O-O-T, root, R-O-O-T, root. Stem, S-T-E-M, stem, S-T-E-M, stem, S-T-E-M, stem. Leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. Flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Plant, root, stem, leaf, flower. Number 6, tree, T-R-E-E, tree, T-R-E-E, tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Number 7, trunk, T-R-U-N-K, trunk, T-R-U-N-K, trunk, T-R-U-N-K, trunk. Number 8, shrub, S-H-R-U-B, shrub, S-H-R-U-B, shrub, S-H-R-U-B, shrub. Number 9, herb, H-E-R-B, herb, H-E-R-B, herb, H-E-R-B, herb. Number 10, medicine, M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E, medicine, M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E, medicine, M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E, medicine. Tree, trunk, shrub, herb, medicine. Once again, all the 10 words: plant, root, stem, leaf, flower, tree, trunk, shrub, herb, medicine. Okay children, now you write these words in your 9-number book 3 times and learn. Thank you children. We will meet again. Bye. See you.